BobCAD is the only thing that we use. BobCAD is it. It does everything we need it to. We do mill parts, simple 2-axis stuff, we do 3D stuff. We're up to the mill premium, really helping out with some of our 3D paths. Mill turn, wired EM, simple 2-axis lathe, you name it, we'll make it. The support is excellent. Send an email to support@bobcad.com. Most of the time, within 30 minutes, you've got a phone call back and the problem is solved. If they can't solve it, they'll work on it and then call you back when it is solved. The training's excellent. I've done the seminars. The seminars are good for getting started with BobCAD. The training CDs are good. The webinars are good. The After Dark series is great. Then the in-house training is excellent. This is my 4th trip down here for in-house training as I've progressed from mill to lathe to mill turn. So I'm very happy with the training. Give BobCAD a try. If you try it, you'll love it. The on-site training here, in-house training here in Florida, the donuts are killer. Amanda's the bomb.